Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Yamaha MT-09 sport bike. Triple cylinder, 850cc. This thing is a powerhouse. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got a Puig smoke windscreen. Really cool in the back. Very tidy back end with the rain guard rear fender. The bike has only 1,800 miles. Gorgeous matte black finish. It's a badass machine. Price to sell just $89.99. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. A whole lot of motorcycles. Yamaha MT-09. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.